welcome back. How are y'all doing today? I don't like that intro. Scratch, reverse, start again. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's had a wonderful week. We finally got some rain, yay! So our pastures hopefully will start growing some more. So today's video, which I'm sure you will have already guessed by the title, is how to teach your bird how to spin in a circle. So Leto already knows how to do this, so she may do it immediately, but I hope to slow it down and show you the steps that I used to teach her. I am by no means a bird trainer. She is my first experience with birds, and I have used other YouTube videos and articles that I have found online with teaching her some tips and tricks. One of my favorites is, hold on, Parrot Wizard. So his channel's name is Parrot Wizard. He trains birds. I have watched quite a few of his videos of different things that he has done. My horse must have been looking at something. We just noticed deer for the first time on our property last night as we came in, so that was kind of exciting. So anyway, back to the video. So I have watched a lot of his stuff, but I just wanted to show you one of our little things. Again, there are lots of resources if there's other tricks that you want to train your bird. I haven't taken a ton of time to train her things. Step up, good girl. She is very food oriented, so sometimes getting her to do a trick is a little hard because she just wants the end goal, which is her sunflower seed. And I have taught her 4 or 5 tricks. And when you pick out her sunflower seed, she will go through all of her tricks because she doesn't want to wait for a command. So she's made it a little more frustrating in a way because I haven't been able to really just get her to say, okay, I just stand here, focus on me, and then do the trick I'm asking. So anyway, so this one is going to be how to teach your bird to spin. What I find useful is to have a perch of some sort, so I'm using her poop stand. Before I had this, I was teaching her on her cage. She has a cage that has the rim around it, and it actually has a perch across the top. So if you've got a cage that has a play stand on top, that is a great place to teach the tricks, or a poop stand, or even on your finger. And then the other thing you need are their favorite treats. Hers, of course, are sunflower seeds. So, oh, you can tell she already knows. Do you know what's coming? Yeah, you love cleaning my hair when it's wet. So, I don't recommend teaching any tricks to your bird until they have mastered step up, because that is a very vital cue that they need to learn to get in and out of the cage or off your shoulder. So until they have mastered the step up, I wouldn't work on any other trick. So to start this trick, I'm gonna have her step up. Good girl. Can I have a kiss? You won't give me a kiss, but I'll give you a kiss. So I'm gonna put her on her perch, and I'm going to ask her to spin. So when I first started, I'd show her the seed and I'd start turning the direction I wanted her to go. Good girl. So as you saw, she very easily follows the seed. So when we first started, she didn't quite understand that I wanted her to turn all the way around. So I'd hold the seed in front of her face and start moving it either right or left, whichever is easier for you. Going to the right is my easiest. So I'd start moving it to the right, and as soon as she started to follow it, I'd give her the seed, even if she just went halfway. And that's what I did a couple times. And then she's doing her routine because she wants more seeds, huh? So once your bird gets the gist of the turn, they'll keep going. So we take the seed, hold it in front of their face until they do a full circle. And again, it's going to take some steps. She has been doing this trick now. Ooh, let's throw seeds everywhere. She's been doing this trick now for about 3 years. So she does it very quickly. But again, in the beginning, you're gonna hold your seed or whatever your bird wants, and you very slowly show them, follow the seed. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you just love your sunflower seeds. Make sure if you're giving seeds not to do too many, because the sunflower seeds are very fattening and sometimes birds can get a little more testy when they've had too much of that sugary fatness, I guess. It's hard to explain, but I know it's not good for them to get multiple. So if you're using sunflower seeds, I wouldn't recommend doing too many sessions in one sitting, just because you don't want the bird to have too many. And you can tell she's trying to follow my seed bag. So once they have started, stop showing off, you gotta slow down. Once they have gotten the gist of they're gonna follow your hand, like that, then what I do is I try to teach a cue. So her cue is turn, good girl. So to teach that, once they have mastered following your finger around whatever you're using, perch, cage, what have you, you then will take the seed and have them turn, but also do your hand signal at the same time. So they start to learn, you say turn, and then go around, good girl. And then they will start to associate the word with the cue. And then you can also, once they have mastered learning the word, turn, you're not gonna listen, are you? Turn, turn, good girl. Once they've mastered that, you could try and teach a hand signal. So she knows hand signals for her tricks. Yeah? You want to show them some of your others? So I'm going to do a series on this. So showing you the 4 or 5 different tricks that I have taught Leto. There are a couple more that I would love to teach her. I just haven't taken the time with moving into our new house and having horses. I just haven't had the time. So I will do a couple more of these videos showing you the different tricks and how I got her to learn how to do them. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to see if we could get 100 likes on the video. I think that's a bit of a stretch, but who knows? Here we go. So if we can get 100 likes, that would be awesome. And Leto would give 3 cheers. No, we don't know that cue. She would you wave for the camera? Wave, wave. Good girl. So again, if you like the video, thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. And we're putting out content every week. And if there's any video ideas that you would love to see, if you've got questions, please send them in. You can send them to me on Twitter or Instagram, which I have linked below my my Instagram and Twitter. I would love to answer your questions, either whether it's about the bird, Leto, the horses, or the dogs. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. We did a video all about you. Yeah, here. We can do a couple more. You show wings. No. Wings. Good girl. I'm making a mess. Leto! You! Leto! Leto! You just ate like 10. Yeah.